Hi, welcome back. Another project, real-time project terminology for system landscape versus project landscape. What is basically the system landscape? I think you're aware of this. If you talk about SAP system in the point of time, so what is the architecture for the particular system? Like your presentation layer, database layer, and you have a three-tier architecture, right? That is a system landscape that I already have explained very detailed in my channel. You can able to go through it. Project landscape. Okay, what kind of different systems are connected for the collective purpose? That we will call it as a project landscape. So once one project is started, what are all the systems got finalized? What are all the requirements got finalized? That is falls under project landscape. Okay. So if you look at this, in certain companies, they will take sandbox, development system, quality system, UAT system, and a production system. All these are the different systems are in landscape. If you take another company, sandbox, development one, development two also will be there. I have seen in one of my project, we have two systems separately, not two clients, two separate systems completely. This is completely used for unit testing, dev tool, and quality and UAT and production. See, to minimize the cost, to know the extensibility, and to know the scope of the project, to know the complexity of the project, these are the different systems will be connected in the landscape. The most frequent one, if you find every project, that is development and quality and production. You don't have a separate sandbox for it. Whatever you would like to do, check something you have to check in development directly, and you don't have a UAT system or pre-production system separately, so that everything need to be performed, like your quality integration testing, and what I would say, your UAT also will be performed in quality, finally move to the production. This is the most old performed landscape of project landscape systems. Development quality pre-production system, you can see the examples. See, I'm just trying to give some example like EP, enterprise portal. One time I have explained, right? This will be like, browser front end production. Hybris or else Salesforce, not Hybris Salesforce. Two are the two different front end technologies. It can be used. ESS, employee service products. All these are the different examples I have given for your understanding. If you see this, if you have a development system, you will have a different clients like this within the system. This is for quality and this is for production. And one, two, three, and different countries. Based on the countries also, you will have a different clients. Like that, it can be managed. Certain times what happens, I have seen a project. You will have a different clients and different landscapes, and you will have the common production box for all countries. That is also like, global goal. It depends on the risk. It depends on the feasibility. It depends on the architecture. They need to be, you know, uh, define this landscape, project landscape to perform certain project. I think you understood it. See, system landscape is specific for certain architecture. Okay. Presentation layer, database layer, application layer, like that. Okay. That has one meaning. It can be two tier or one type. And project landscape, the group of logical systems which will be used, which can be only SAP systems or non-SAP systems. That is the basic difference between system landscape and a project landscape. Okay, I think you understood about this term. If you really enjoyed my sessions, if you really like it, you can like it. And if you really want more inputs like this, please subscribe my channel. And currently I'm holding 809 videos. And if you really wanted to get more inputs like this, please subscribe my channel. This is my dedicated YouTube channel. You can able to write if you have certain things. And this is my dedicated Udemy courses. All these are different courses. For example, I have done this course for support actions and real-time incidents, so that it will be useful for your interviews, and you'll have a exposure before working into the support project. This is for down payment scenarios. I have explained. It is one of my project scenario. And if you look at here, I'm currently holding 5,960 students with 961 successful reviews. This is one of my top course for SAP Sales and Distribution, 112 hours with 422 lectures. I would recommend these two are the two different courses for any functional consultant. Okay, this is with 9 hours with 34 lectures, and this is 8.5 hours must doable courses for real time. Someone in job trials, don't miss these two courses. So any functional consultant for that matter. And this is for pricing concepts. So this is one of my top course. I'm holding 2000 plus students for this. If you really wanted to have a passion to learn pricing, please subscribe these two courses. It will be helpful to you. And certain courses for HANA also. If you learn this course, it will be specifically useful for your career. If you are quite new to S4 HANA. Like that, I'm holding around 20 plus courses. I'm just providing those links below this video. If you really wanted, you can able to subscribe. Thanks for joining the session. Wishing you all the best. Jai Bharat. Have a great day.